Go back, mommy. Mommy, my mommy. Somewhere deep in the forest. Oh no, the deer, mommy, the deer. The deer. Did you go back? Here, Calvin. There.
Oh, cut those trees.
It's a farm, Calvin. Tree farm.
Yeah, let's cut the trees.
Calvin, do you have a rifle? There's a rifle ammo.
Yeah, I need.
Rifle.
You better get logs so that our fire will be. Get lots of logs. You have a good sack, right?
Oh, there's something hiding. It's metal. I got metal, guys.
Nice.
Something is emerging from the ponds. There's a frog. The frog will attack you.
Yeah, if you get close to their frog, then they will lick, attack you with their tongue. But
Yeah.
the purple one,
It's so gigantic.
that comes from
A missing child has been rescued.
What should we do with the basketball?
A missing child has been rescued.
What should we do with the basketball?
everyone. I got a flashlight. I got a flashlight. Who wants a flashlight? Ate, do you have a flashlight?
No, I don't.
I'll get some. Just stay there. I'm gonna climb up a tower.
Our food is gone. Oh, someone died. Guys, someone died. Oh, there's a chicken. Mama, there's a gigantic purple frog over there. There's a gigantic purple frog over there. A gigantic purple frog.
Mom, do you
Oh,
have
there.
a flashlight?
I want the flashlight. I want the flashlight. I don't have a flashlight.
It's okay. There. It comes from that direction.
Did you revive it?
Ate, if you want to get it, then you need to go that direction.
Oh, we're just 4.
We're just 4.
Yeah.
You need to revive someone.
The other wheel.
I'm hungry.
I need to eat too. Hey! Hey, you steal my food that I'm holding. Oh no. That's the deer.
Now how can we get? Oh, we can craft it. First, let's craft.
What's that? Build a shelf?
Yeah, we need to make a fortress. Right, Mom? Right, we need to make a fortress. Right?
Oh no!
Bite me.
Why did you get out of the night?
After you
getting
distract the
some
wolf
metal.
when I get Mom. Okay?
Wait, I don't want. Oh, there! Let's go.
I have medkit and
I have a med kit.
revive bandage.
I have a med kit. But there's someone there. There's someone there. Oh, there's.
Ate, distract the wolves.
I don't want. I'm scared. Oh, there's some chest.
Oh, someone's chasing you, Ate!
Ah! I'm scared.
Ayan, someone's getting me. It's okay.
Help!
Guys, getting me.
Help! There. Help! I'm going back. I'm going back.
In case someone wants a good
There's a chest over there. There's a chest over there.
In case someone wants a good sack, I would place a good sack here in the tent.
But we already have a good sack. Right?
There's food in there.
Flashlight. Yes, I got the flashlight.
Hey, did
Oh my
you know,
gosh! There's
did
a
you know you
flashlight
can
over
go
there.
to the whirlpool? And there's a secret entrance there. To a drippy cave. But a frog is guarding.
Ouch! Ah. I'm dead again. Someone shoot me.
I'm hungry. Oh, wait. Oh, there's no food. I'm hungry.
Should I get you or not? I'm scared. Scared. My mommy. My mommy.
Go out in the forest and eat some.
Papi, get me!
Where are you?
You can see it in the diamond, right?
I can't see. Where are you? There's no diamond. I can't see a diamond. Oh,
There's something called revive.
revive. You can see it.
But someone's shooting at me.
You'll be attacked tonight. Return to your fire.
Go on top of the bookshelf. Now what do we do?
Yeah.
Now we need to attack.
Without the L16.
Mom, why you keep going there?
Because I'm getting metals.
Don't even try to get metal yet. At least we're safe here for now.
But what should we do? We can't attack them. What should we do?
No, we can have it. Attack.
Hmm?
You're good at.
I only have an axe. Not a good axe.
Attack. 3, 2, 1. Attack. Swing.
I'll distract them. I don't know. Oh no, this is not looking good.
No, I'm hungry. I'm gonna be dead.
Oh no.
Just take my good axe, okay? Just take my good axe.
Oh no. It's not
Attack.
looking good.
They have no
Help! They do so many damages. And I'm hungry.
And attack again. Attack again. No, go down and attack.
I'm what? Help!
We're gonna all die if you don't do this. I believe in you.
I'm not else. I'm not orange. I'm not orange.
We'll go there.
Help me.
After you're gonna be dead.
I think I will be an alien later.
Help me.
Someone
Why
will go
you
there.
Why you go out and get
Should I heal with my med kit or not?
Huh?
Should I heal with my med kit? I got a med kit.
attack? We attack. Someone's reviving me.
Help! Help! Yay! Help! Help me! I need food, guys.
Now let's craft.
I need food.
Oh no, not yet.
Okay, I'll just buy one.
I need food, guys. I just need food. I need food.
We need more metal.
Help! I need food, guys. I need food.
Wait.
I just need food.
Don't tell
You
me.
eat nga carrots or ano?
Oof.
Find carrots. There's so many carrots there.
Some carrots that are close,
Yes.
but I can't see any close carrots. Can't see any close carrots. Can you find food for me? Can you find food
Look,
for me?
look, look.
The ram has woken up.
Yeah.
Why 99 lights in the
What is that? That. Why is there a ram?
Where's our friend?
That is not a ram.
That is a ram.
It's the one that has big horns.
That is a ram.
We get the
Yeah, it is a ram,
get the
bro.
land here.
You cannot listen. It is a ram. Oh,
Build the
God.
forest rest
You're a
again.
cook. Sky a little bit.
And let the sapling, okay?
Come on, mommy.
I'm hungry, guys. I said I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. We're all hungry.
Bibu bop. Bibu bop. Bobby bobby.
I'm hungry. Help.
Let's get food. I'm literally so.
It's just day 8 and we're hungry. We're gonna die.
Whoa, that's a big rat. Mom, look for food.
Huh? I don't want. Yeah.
Is there food back there? Is there food? Oh, there's no.
There, I have some food. A stack of 4 food.
And now we have this many cows to look for food.
Oh, I have some there's some berries there.
Bunny foot. Don't take my bunny foot, okay? This is all mine. This is my bunny. Let me set up bear trap.
Okay, let's go. Huh?
Whoa, this bear trap do a lot of damage. Should I surround the place with bear traps?
Don't waste it.
Huh?
What are you doing? You're not even getting lunch. You're not even getting something.
I'm getting.
I'm gonna try to go out.
See, we don't have gloves. We don't have metal.
We have metal 17.
Because I'm the one who's getting it. How can we build something?
What should we build?
That's cool, man.
Let's get logs.
I will die right now.
You're not even getting food. How can we survive?
Can I craft a freezer?
Why will you craft a freezer? What would we store there?
Oh, we already have some bookshelves. Oh, the campfire is different. Look.
Dying.
That.
They're just standing there kasi. Oh, Shogi!
You're hungry. Oh my god.
Calvi, not getting food, not getting anything, just
Shoki is a
standing
bad
there.
teammate. Shoki is a uber bad teammate. You're a bad. You never get.
Oops, I'm sorry.
You're
I
a
accidentally.
bad.
I
You
didn't.
never get any medal. You're a bad teammate. When you're the level, she's a bone taker. When you look for the booty,
Yeah, ano ba?
Because there's no food there. I'm scared.
then there's carrots everywhere. You can just eat the carrots.
Oh yeah.
Bruh. And there's even blueberries. Bruh.
Why did I didn't think of this? I need a farm.
Bro, you can just craft the farm for only 3
I
wood.
don't have bandage.
Bruh.
No, 2 wood. Ate has a medical kit.
That dude.
Ate, can you heal me?
I can only heal you with bandages. The medical kit is for me, for healing, for yourself.
Yeah, fine. Ate,
The
Put me
medkit,
in the
you
sack.
can use it to... Oh my gosh.
now go.
Eat, eat,
Come on. It's only
eat. I will look for some food for you. Okay, mommy.
no look for bandage. Even when you heal me with a bandage, it's fine because I'll still get food. Okay. Can you please find a hospital?
I got some food for you, mommy. Oops, I'm sorry.
Okay. Go to the hospital.
I couldn't find the hospital. I don't know where's the hospital. See, there's already a frog there.
You're literally going
Oh
everywhere.
no. Ren and Thunder, mommy, find some wood.
You don't have ano.